This is a 1949 Ford F-1 truck. And it's really a beautiful truck. That's all I can say. Nice light green color, wide white walls, hubcaps, and has some wood stakes there in the pickup bed. It's gorgeous. Even the running board has been updated with that wood planking. The interior looks pretty original. Nothing really fancy. We've got the 4 gauges and speedometer. And we have a radio grill there. I assume we have a radio too. Not sure about that. In that radio grill you see an early use of plastics. There's a V8 symbol there on the wood stake. And just in case you wonder if this car did well at car shows, there we are. That's of course one of the benefits of having an antique vehicle. You get to take it to shows and have other people look at it and comment and relive their experiences with similar vehicles. The whole thing. There's gas cap. The owner just put something in the truck